Hello there, and welcome to this week's edition of Nourish with Emily Live. We're going to get started in just one moment, and we're going to be talking about how to kickstart your nutrition journey. We've got 3 easy, simple steps for you. So grab your water, grab your coffee, grab your tea, grab a seat. Let's talk more about this. Before we get started today, it's Halloween. I want to know, what is your favorite Halloween candy? Have you already opened up the bag? We have our candy over here on our buffet table, probably maybe 100 pieces of candy in there. It hasn't been opened. I'm very proud of my husband for not opening it. I told him he cannot open it until today, and he's not working from home today, so he can't even open it until tonight. But our favorite Halloween candy, or at least my favorite Halloween candy, is Reese's or Swedish Fish. Either of those are my absolute favorite. I know that Joe loves Kit Kats, but I want to know, what is your favorite Halloween candy? What is that one thing that you're like, I'm absolutely having that today. I'm packing it at my lunch. I'm having it later on. I have to have that candy. Let us know down in the comments below. Like I said, mine is Swedish Fish or Reese's. I'm more of like a chocolate person. The straight sugar stuff, I don't really love it. Skittles, I know it's controversial. Not my favorite thing at all. Don't know why. Just not a fan of it. So today we're talking all about how to kickstart your nutrition journey, and I'm giving you 3 easy steps to help you get started. These are things that we share with you inside of our Nourish membership and really help you start to execute as well inside of our one-on-one nutrition coaching program. So that first thing that I want you to do when you are kickstarting your nutrition journey is pinpointing what exactly you want to achieve. Where are you going in this process? What exactly are you doing? Rather than just getting started or saying on Monday, because it's November 4th and I'm going to start doing it and I'm going to get ready, I am going to do X, Y, and Z. Or I want to, let's say, lose weight or have that be a general goal. I want to come off of my blood pressure medication. I want to stop diabetes. I want to reverse my diabetes or put my diabetes into remission. I want you to start to think about, what is that specific goal that you are going to achieve? Where are you going? And I want you to pinpoint it. I want you to write it down. I want you to put it on a sticky note or on a piece of paper. Post it on your refrigerator. Post it on the mirror in your bathroom. I don't care. But we need to have that specific goal that you are looking to achieve, because that can help us with setting all of the other goals in that process, as well as tracking your progress too as that time goes on. So making sure that you are setting that right goal to get started is the most important piece of it. So pinpoint what exactly you want to achieve, and I want you to make sure that this is a SMART goal. And you know SMART goals, I know SMART goals, but we're going to talk about it again. We want them to be specific, measurable, attainable. Like, let's say you need to lose 75 pounds in 1 month. That is not an attainable goal. Realistic and time bound. So making sure that you have those things that you can actually do. So an example of that SMART goal might be, I'm going to lose 5 pounds in November, which is absolutely doable. We're aiming for 1 pound a week. It is time bound, and I'm going to do this by walking more. I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to cut out that after dinner eating because I know that I'm not hungry. I have those exact action steps of what I'm going to do, and it's a realistic goal that I can absolutely achieve. Whereas if you come in and say, I'm going to lose 20 pounds in November, and that's it. You're not giving yourself that plan. You're not giving yourself that focus or that drive of what exactly is going to happen here. How am I going to achieve it? So make sure that it's smart, make sure that it's specific, and that you can actually hit this goal. And writing it down, posting it around is so important. Number 2, before you go ahead and change anything or set some of those action steps or next step things you're going to be doing, I want you to start to create more awareness. So we need awareness before we can make any changes at all. That awareness might look like keeping a food log, and maybe it's just writing it down in your journal, writing down what you've had every day for that meal. So for breakfast this morning, I had the Chobani Complete. I had a whole grain English muffin, 8 grams of protein if you buy the Wegmans ones. I put peanut butter on it, and I had a latte made with 1% milk and sugar-free, not vanilla, sugar-free chocolate chip cookie dough syrup in it. That's it. And I've had my water. Haven't had anything else. I haven't had any candy or anything like that. But writing that stuff down can help to create more awareness around, what am I eating? How much am I eating? And when am I eating too? Are there things that I'm not picking up on that I'm snacking on throughout the day? So create that awareness with your food and even with your time as well. Maybe you're someone who says, I don't have time to do X, Y, and Z. I just can't do it. I've got so much going on. Do a time log. 24 hours, do it in 5-minute increments. What have you spent your time on? Put in there, have you spent 5 minutes on social media? Have you spent 10 minutes scrolling on Pinterest or TikTok or whatever it is? You spent 20 minutes reading. You did 30 minutes of work and then you stared out the window for 5 minutes. Whatever it is, write it down so that you know, where are you spending your time throughout the day? What is productive and what is holding you back or what is not helping you move that needle forward? Because you may realize that you have more time in your day if we are specific about it and motivated with it, where you can get out for a walk or you can go and do something. And then number 3, I want you just to start with changing one thing. And I want that one thing to be, what can I add to my diet or routine? What can I add to my nutrition or my overall health rather than taking away? We don't like to be told what to do. You would hate it if I came on here and said, you cannot have any Halloween candy today. You better listen to me or you are a failure. You'd be like, Emily, you are the meanest person ever. Why would you ever say that? I only want the candy more. I have an intern here with me. Taylor is laughing at me right now as I say that. So we're not talking about taking things away. We're talking about what can we add to our nutrition, our routine, our lifestyle to help you stay focused and keep moving forward. So maybe you can add an extra walk-in throughout the day after you did that time log. You can add an extra bottle of water. You can add a protein source at breakfast time. I was talking with someone yesterday. They have 4 slices of toast every single morning at breakfast. We've decided we're going to take away 2 slices and we're going to add 2 eggs there where he feels more satisfied and full with those meals from now on. So start thinking in that lens versus I'm taking things away because that's asking for yourself to fail, and start saying, what can I add to my diet, my routine, my lifestyle that's going to make it easier? So those are the 3 things that you can do to help to jumpstart your nutrition journey, to kickstart those goals, and especially to stay successful through this holiday season. I hope you have a wonderful Halloween. If you missed last night's masterclass, it was awesome. We're giving you so many quick and easy mindful eating tips that you can start practicing today, especially if you have a sticky note. If you watch the class, you'll understand why. That you can start today so that you're not overeating on the candy that's around and in the house. If you're interested in joining the Nourish membership where you get access to this, comment membership down below. I can also drop the link there too. We also have spots inside of our one-on-one nutrition coaching program. If you're looking for more accountability support tailored to you, goals and guidance to help you achieve your goals and stay consistent, now is the time to start. When you start now, you're so much further ahead than everyone starting in January, and you are preventing that 5 to 10 pound weight gain people experience through the holiday season. So it's time to start now with focusing on you, your nutrition, and your goals, and we are here to help you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Thursday, and we will see you next week. Bye.